You guys are very funny. How you all doing? So monetization, and now you're everywhere. Everybody monetization, everybody monetization, everybody want to monetize. Eh? Everybody want to monetize their page and their profile. You people forget that there are how these things work. There are how these things work. You will not get monetized by typing follow my speed, uh, um try my speed, grab this one, grab 50 followers, grab. No, you will not get monetized by doing all these things. There are how these things works. There are criteria to these things, and when you meet the criteria, let me remind you that the views you have already had in the past will not count. You will not still have to, it will not look like you are starting afresh. And let me tell you that Facebook does not pay you $10 for 1,000 views. Facebook does not pay you $20 for 2,000 views. That's not how these things work. That is not how these things work. They will not tell you guys. You feel like all these big content creators, they are making millions. That's because they have grown. That's because they were monetized before all these monetization start running. Facebook changed its pattern of payment. I don't know if they are telling you people. They changed their pattern of payment, their in-stream payment. Even if you set up your star, if somebody did not send you star, you will not make money. Okay, you think that if they send you 100 stars, you have made $100. Oh shit, 100 stars is just $1. Now the reason why I'm doing this video is because a lady in a group of this follow something, I stopped her comment. I saw her comment. She said she stopped her work that was paying her 50,000 naira monthly to concentrate on her content creation. Are you whining me? Are you whining me? Work that was paying you 50k at the end of the month, you stopped it because you want to concentrate on your content creation. Did they not tell you that you will buy data and smell data? Did they not tell you that without data there is no content creation? Why not you continue doing that your work so that you will see money you used to be buying data? And let me tell you, before you will start making money that is up to $50 in a month, which will give you that 50,000 naira, you will work your ass out, my dear. For each 1,000 view you get, you might get like 0.2 cents, depending on the location where people are watching you from. They did not tell you all this one, so they just told you that June will be monetized. June, Nigeria will be eligible. What will happen if June reaches and then the monetization will not forge ahead? Most of you will now be disappointed. You better zero your mind from this monetization, because the way you imagine it, the way you expect it, is not how it works. So it's not how it works. That you get 1,000 views does not mean you will get $1. Before you get $1 on Facebook now, you will do like this. Oh, eager sweat. Eh? The way you expect it is not the way it works. Before you start making money now on Facebook, you will start having like 100 views, 100k views. When you start having like 100k views, 200k, 500k, 1 million, 2 million views, that's when you will make money on Facebook. Oh. But then all this small 4k view, 5k view, nothing there is not worth stopping your work. You can use it as a part-time job, as a part-time something. You be investing in it small. Maybe you work for throughout the day on week, Saturday, Sunday, you don't go to work. Use that Saturday, Sunday and do your content. Schedule it, because there is an option to schedule any day you want. It will be better for you than quitting your job because of monetization. You go regret them. No try am. The way you expect them, no be so it be. Before you make $2 now, even before somebody will send you star that is up to $2 now, 200 stars that somebody sent you is just common $2. Make you notice a 200 star na 200,000. No, that's not how it works. make you notice say the money go come but it's not worth quitting your job the money will come when you have started having views, like when you have started having views in thousands, no be all these small ones and if you are trying to start content creation, invest on iPhone or a very good Samsung phone that has camera quality. If it's all this Android Infinix Techno, e no go carry you go anywhere. Invest on iPhone with good camera quality. That's the only way you will get engagement, you will get video quality. I'm telling you, if you are trying to stop your job because of this monetization, better carry caution. What if June reaches now and this man changes his mind? What will happen? You will now feel disappointed. No, now you disappoint yourself and even if it happens, the way you people are taking it is not how it goes the way you people are going about this thing, thinking that once you get monetized you start cashing out millions, is not how it works. It's not how it works.